Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to change the NAT type on a Windows computer. So network address translations or NAT is essential for managing data flow between devices in a home or office network and the wider internet. NAT basically act as a middleman translating private IPv4 addresses of local devices to the public IPv4 address assigned to the router by the internet service provider and vice versa. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to set a static private IP address. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter I on your keyboard to open Windows settings. And then once you open up this Windows settings, at left side navigation panel, and then you need to select network and internet and then click. And then on right side, and then you need to tap or select this connections available. So you can see now this is the Wi-Fi connections on my system, and then click. And then next step, and then you can see this my connections properties, and then click again. All right. So here at the connections properties, and then you need to scroll down, and then you can see now this IP assignment. And on right side, then you can see this edit options, and then click. And then here at edit network IP settings, and then we need to modify. So click this arrow, and then you need to select manual. And the next step, you can see these two options. We have IPv4 and then IPv6. And then you need to enable this IPv4, so enable. So once you enable this IPv4, and then we need now to modify, enter this IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and the prepaid DNS. Enter the IP address ensuring the first three octets match the IPv4 address obtained using the ipconfig command. And then enter the subnet mask and the port gateway address for the internet adapter obtained using ipconfig command. Alright, in the prepaid DNS field, enter 888. For alternate DNS, then enter 8844. So here at prepaid DNS, and then you need to type or enter this number 8.8.8.8. So 48, and then next. And here at alternate DNS, so just type this number 8.8.4.4. And then once you're done here, the settings, and then you need to click this save. Alright, and the other solutions that we're going to do is to enable discovery mode. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter I on your keyboard to open Windows settings. And then once you open up this Windows settings, at left side navigation panel, and then you need to select network and internet, and then click. And on right side, and then you need to scroll down, and then you need to select or click this advanced network settings. So here at advanced network settings, and then under at more settings, and then you need to click this advanced sharing settings, and then click. And then we need to modify. So we have two network here, that private and then public. So you need to select public network, and then you can see now this network discovery. So we need to turn on this button. All right. So on right side, and then you can see now this is turned off. Then you need to turn on, so toggle on. And that's it, guys. All right. So that's it on how to change that NAT type in Windows. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.